In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're on the main dashboard for the correct account or location. Once you're inside the platform, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu, which gives you access to different sections of the system. From that menu, click on Contacts. This will take you to your contact list, where all saved records are stored. Depending on how many contacts you have in your account, this page may contain a long list, so take a moment to look through it carefully and locate the specific contact you want to remove. Once you find the correct contact, be sure to double check that it's the right one before moving forward. This is especially important if you have multiple contacts with similar names or information. Taking an extra second here can help prevent deleting the wrong record. Next, look for the three-dot menu associated with that contact. This menu usually contains additional actions you can take for that record. Click the three dots to open the drop-down options. From the list of available actions, select Delete Contact. As soon as you click that option, Gohighlevel will display a confirmation prompt or warning message. Before confirming anything, read the delete conditions carefully. This step matters because deletion may be permanent, and in many cases, once a contact is removed, their associated information may no longer be recoverable. Take a moment to review the message on screen so you fully understand what will happen after deletion. If you're completely sure that this is the contact you want to remove, go ahead and click Delete to confirm. After that, the contact will be deleted from your Gohighlevel contact list. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to confirm whether you truly want to delete a contact instead of simply updating or archiving their information, especially if that contact has related activity or history you may need later. But if deletion is the right choice, the process is very straightforward once you know where to look. And that's all it takes to delete a contact in Gohighlevel. Follow these steps carefully, review the confirmation message before finalizing the action, and you'll be able to manage your contact list with confidence.